everybody, this is the Aspiring Gadgeteer with another video. Now this is about an interesting product that you're seeing on the screen right now. This is the new Apple MagSafe Battery Pack. Now this is a product that Apple recently launched. I got a few days back, and it's interesting in a number of ways. Now one thing that we need to remember about Apple products is that, especially for battery packs, they are not going to be the battery packs with the largest battery capacity. They are not going to be battery packs that come with kickstands so that you can modify the way you utilize your phone, for example, to prop it up, etc. And it will focus on its core competency, which is essentially making sure that the phone is charging. You can think of it as a top-up rather than replacing the full charge of your iPhone. Now, as I said in the name, it's a MagSafe battery pack, so it is compatible, especially if you want to carry it around, with the new iPhone 12s that are out there, which have the MagSafe capability. This battery pack snaps onto the back of the phone, and this is the MagSafe ring. This is the alignment magnet along with magnets here, and it essentially snaps to the back of the phone. Now before I demonstrate its features, let me show you how should we, or from where should you get it on apple.com, because Apple has a ton of accessories and sometimes it can get a little confusing. Where do I search for this thing? So the best way to do it is go to accessories, and essentially the way to do it is that if you're on apple.com, you scroll to the bottom, and then here you are going to see an option for accessories, and you click there, and then once you scroll, rather than searching for accessories, just hit on see all categories, and you can't search for batteries, search for MagSafe here, as in search for the name MagSafe, click this, and then when you scroll down, voila, this is the MagSafe battery pack for $99. And this is the battery pack that I have been showing here. Now let's talk about how will we use it. So basically take it out. By the way, I have an interesting usage for this kickstand and the battery pack, which I will share with you shortly. But this is the battery pack. It's smooth to the touch. It's not like a fiber kind of feel. It's not glass, it's like a smooth plastic. Now this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and essentially how you use it is that I turn my iPhone 12 Pro Max behind on its back, and then essentially I just go ahead and drop it. That's it. It automatically aligns, and here is charging. To show you, look at this. The battery pack is 100%, my iPhone is 28%, and then my watch, which I'm wearing, is 73%. So the battery pack is essentially charging my Apple device. Another interesting feature, that this battery pack can also be charged by your Apple device, your iPhone 12. So what it means is that the iPhone 12 has reverse charging, wireless charging is enabled for the battery pack. So you just put a charger cable here, your battery pack will start charging while your iPhone is also charging. So this is a good way to top up your battery pack. Now a fascinating use case for the battery pack. Let's bring the old lightning dock. If you all remember this, Apple released these docks a couple of years back. Take the battery pack and insert it here. Now what we have is essentially a MagSafe stand where you can charge your iPhone and at the same time prop it up for easy viewing. So, and you can charge a lightning dock by the lightning input cable here, and it also has a 3.5 mm jack, the good old days of the 3.5 mm ports, right? And essentially just put it here and that's it. Starts charging, and you've got your battery pack charging your iPhone. And then of course if I plug a cable back behind here, then I can charge the battery pack at the same time while it's charging the iPhone. So this is the MagSafe Battery Pack, a pretty decent accessory, especially when you're in a pinch. If you've got an iPhone 12 mini, it's going to be helpful there. But at the end of the day, obviously you don't ever want to be in a situation caught without a charge, and this helps ensure that you essentially are not. This is for $99, so that's what the cost is. And of course, as with Apple products, there's definitely a different price point which they will charge from what you'll get regular accessories from, say, Amazon, etc. That's just how Apple does things. Obviously it's reflected in the quality, and really, if this is something that interests you, this is a versatile accessory. I mean, looking at it at first glance, you might not think this white brick of plastic to be versatile, but there are a lot of use cases. Charging, it is versatile enough to be reverse charged by iPhone. It can be put here and essentially become a MagSafe dock if you've got one of these old docks lying around, lightning docks, and of course you get other ones right now also on Amazon, etc, etc. And in terms of the charge, as I said, right, it's good for top up. It's not for completely charging your iPhone from zero battery, so keep that in mind. But it's definitely helpful in a pinch, and this is the best part which I liked. Now if you remember the iPhone battery cases that came for the previous generation iPhones, each of the iPhones had its own case, and each case was $100 plus. Now this one battery pack, if you have got multiple iPhone 12s, or even for future generations of iPhones which I'm pretty sure will come with MagSafe, this one battery pack can be reused across all the different phones. That is a lot to say about versatility and longevity of this one battery pack. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to try to answer them. I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe, leave your valuable feedback, and I will see you in the next video. This is the Aspiring Gadgeteer once again. You all have a great day.